Hello, this is John Koimbori. This is a group video interfacing a temperature sensor. Uh, I'm going to be taking you through how to interface a temperature sensor to the 8051 microcontroller. So this is a step-by-step tutorial. First is how to create your flowchart. Uh, you want to use draw.io to create your flowcharts, and this is the website that we use to make our flowcharts. For instance, this one. But in my case, I have the flowchart ready, and this is how it looks. That's the start, and then you want to set up the configuration register. You want to convert the temperature. Uh, then that's from binary to the degrees Celsius on the trainer. There is also the 8051 chip, which retrieves the bytes of the temperature, then converts the number from binary to BCD, and then shows the number on the 7-segment display. That's going to be in degrees Celsius, like I said. The process is ultimately repeated again, and this is the end of the program. Next, we want to go how to create the .h file, open Microvision. Once you finish writing your program like I have on screen right here, this is the program for the temperature sensor. You want to hit File and then Save As, name your program, and end with the .asm. So that's the file for your program first. Once you save it as a .asm, you can build target and create your hex file, which I already did, and it's saved in the objects folder. I'm just gonna show you right now, containing folder, and my hex files. Go to objects right there, and then temp.hex is the temperature.hex file. This is the actual file that you load onto your 8051 microcontroller. How you do that is you want to open RealTime, which is the IDE that we use to interface or communicate with the 8051 microcontroller. This is how RealTime looks like. And once you have your 8051 on program mode, you want to connect it to your 8051 using the serial port cable at the serial port 0 on the 8051. And then once you hit put here and you hit enter, if it's connected, it's gonna interface and show the name of the microcontroller, just the program. That's how you know it's connected. Go to send, hit these three dots. First, you wanna hit K here. Uh, you're gonna hit K here to erase whatever program was in the microcontroller, because it does not erase the programs, because they're stored in the ROM, which is non-volatile. So you want to hit K to erase the previous program that was on there, and then you want to hit L to learn, which is to ensure that your microcontroller is ready to receive a new program. Then you go to the name of where you saved your hex file. We are loading the hex file. Mine is temp.hex right there. Click open, it's gonna be there. And then click send. You're gonna get done here, and then in this page you're gonna get G's and percentages. If you see G's and percentages, that means this program was successfully loaded onto your microcontroller. Okay, so that's how to load the program. And then the wired circuit, I'm gonna show you a picture of the actual circuit wired, which is right here. This is it. As you can see, this is the 8051 right here, and you can see the connection between the 8051 and DS1620, which is our temperature sensor, which is right here. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see. So this is the DS1620 temperature sensor right here, this chip right here, and it's connected to your 8051 microcontroller. And so the 8051 microcontroller is also connected on the digital trainer's 7-segment hex display, LED display, and this is what displays the temperature in degrees Celsius. So in this case, you can see that it reads 24 degrees Celsius, and as soon as you connect it, most probably you're gonna get a value of 20 degrees Celsius. Uh, Mostly, that's the common figure on the day that I was creating the actual circuit and wiring and powering it up. So how to increase it from 20 to 24? You can use a heat gun. If you don't have a heat gun, what you can do, you can rub your finger on a desk to kind of, make it hot, and then just put your finger onto the DS160, which is the temperature sensor chip, and I'm gonna zoom it on it, and it's right here. So just put your finger on top of it after rubbing it on a desk for a couple minutes, and you'll see the temperature increase. In my case, it increased all the way to 25, and I took the picture while it was at 24. So that's the result of the 8051 interface with the temperature sensor circuit working correctly. Thank you very much.